we're going to be installing our Signature Autosports steps on our brand new Quartermaster.
Alright, so what we're looking at right here is what we call the rear mount. So you've got 4 holes, which you're going to run an M10 bolt through. A bolt, and they're unthreaded holes, so we're going to run a nut on the top of them. So that's your rear mount. And then up here we're going to have our middle mount. There's going to be 3 threaded M12 holes. And then finally we have our front mount. And that's going to be 4 threaded holes. And that's going to be an M10 bolt. Driver's side front mounting right here. And so what we've done is these are threaded inserts on the chassis. So I like to start with the front end. And so it's a 2-man job. So man in the back holds the step up using his knees. The man in the front is free to thread this in, since these are a little easier. And then once you get those done, I like to move all the way to the back. As on the back, we've got a nut on top of the bolts. So man in the back is still holding it up, and man in the front comes up and loosely puts these bolts on. And then we move to the middle, and then it becomes a 1-man job. You put what I like to start with is this top nut, bolt up all the way up here, and then move on to the bottom 2. And then you're free to torque them down. I like to start with the middle, and then do all 3 on the middle. I start at the bottom 2, and then the top one, and then I move to the front, and then the back.
Go forward. Stop.
I like to go in through the side. It's easier if you tap it first. Alright, cool. And I can get this one in sideways.